Hello class, this is a quick tutorial to show how to upload your project for project 4, your HTML, your interactive HTML, to an online web hosting site where we will be able to each preview each other's projects, right? All right, first thing I'm gonna do is in my browser page, I'm gonna choose a new tab. Then I'm gonna type in 000.webhost.com, okay? I'm gonna click enter. For this page, this is an online hosting site. They have different payment plans, but you can get one free one for no cost, right? You just need to create a free account, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to choose Get Started. Free web hosting, one free website, 300 megabytes of disk space, bandwidth 3 gigabytes, no email account, no customer support. That's fine. You can choose free sign up. You're going to create a free login here, okay? I've already created my own account, so I'll log in here briefly. All right, after you log into your site, you will should land on a page that looks like this, where it lands into My Websites. I'm going to choose Create a New Site. I'm going to give my site a name. I'm going to call it Goss Scott Project 4. Notice I have not used any special characters or hyphens or anything like that. You should name your file the same way: last name, first name, project 4. Okay. In all likelihood, hopefully, there's no other person out there that has the same name website extension, so it should be easy to share. Just use the random password they give you, right? Click create. Wait a really long time, apparently. My internet's being weird today. All right. Okay, we land here on this page right here. And now we want to use File Manager. We're going to choose Upload because we have created our own pre-built website. And so we can click Upload. It's going to take us to a new tab. And it's going to look like this, right? The one thing that's tricky about this is which files we submit and where we put them, okay? So this public HTML file folder is going to replace your main directory folder that was probably your last name, first name, HTML. And then in there you had CSS, JS, MP4, IMG, and all your HTML links and pages in there. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, or double click on this one. We're going to enter into the space right here. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to find my website that I created for this project, right? So Goss Scott _ project 4 interactive HTML. I'm not going to drag this folder in there, but rather I'm going to double click. I'm going to grab all of this. I'm going to drag and drop that right into there. Okay. Files will be uploaded. There's good. And then I'm going to choose upload. All right. This folder takes a while. It's really that MP4 file, 15 megabytes. That's going to take the longest, and everything else should just kind of bump into there pretty quickly. Let's give this a second here now. Now it's running through. Hang tight. There you go. Here are all my files. Now I just want to go in here and verify that everything's where they are supposed to be. In my CSS folder, I should have my style sheet. Okay. In my IMG folder, I should have all my images. In my MP4 folder, it says there's nothing in there. This is what happened to me before. All right, so I'm going to click on this, and I can see that it's down here. For some reason, it doesn't put it where it needs to be. I'm going to try to drag and drop that. Well, let me do that. Okay. So I'm going to choose Move. I'm going to change the destination folder. I'm going to choose MP4. I'm going to choose Select this. I'm going to move. It's going to move it in there. Okay. All right. To preview your project, you're going to want to go back to this previous page right here, where I'd press Create New Site. I'm not going to create a new site, but rather I'm going to click on this link right here. And here's my web page. See, Surviving My Family. If I choose Meet the Gosses, I can go click there, and I can scroll through. I only did a couple links for the sake of demonstration. Scroll down, I can read all my content right there. And this guy is screaming annoyingly, which you cannot hear because of the way I'm recording this demonstration, but it occurs. You notice that it also auto-played, and it will auto-loop in just a second. And then there he goes again. Okay, I can press pause. There's controls in there that the user can use with. Once you've done this, and you've been able to preview your site, you can share these with your friends and family, but you also need to make sure you share it with everybody else in this class. So I'm going to go back to my home page. Remember in the demonstration, I talked about linking back to the beginning. So you want to go back to your home page. I'm going to press Command C or Control C if you're on a PC. I'm going to go to my resources and projects descriptions folder. This is a folder that everybody in the class has access to. I'm going to double click on project 4 information. I'm going to choose project 4 links. I'm going to press Command V, Control V, and then you'll see my project right there. All right, and just go ahead and for the courtesy, press enter to the next line so the next student can click in there. Now if I click on that, there, I'll be taken to my site. All right. So here is the page in which you will upload your project and also where you will preview each of your classmates' projects for the critique next week. Okay, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm always here to help. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.